LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current flows through it. This Pulsevo LED kit has 1000 diffused lenses LED PCs and each of the sizes is 3 mm. This Pulsevo LED kit includes 5 different colors: blue, yellow, red, green, and white. With this Pulsevo LED kit, additionally, you will get to buy 8 cm prototyping printed circuit boards and 100 PCs of 220 Ohm resistors. This Pulsevo kit comes with a durable plastic storage box to help you always keep the product organized and transport the product anywhere. The Pulsevo LED kit can be used widely in electronic products, household appliances, and industrial appliances. Pulsevo Diffused Lens LED Assortment Kit is the best choice to make DIY projects.